We are making Mexican style corn with a Parmesan cheese. It's so delicious. One of my favorite summer recipe. And I love to use Parmesan, lots of Parmesan, and also I like to use a veganese. You can substitute with mayonnaise, and it's just delicious. Look at this, how beautiful and delicious it is. I just love this. Top it up with cheese, and it's good to go. My favorite summer recipes. So into a big pot, I'm adding my corn, and I like to use a plenty of water. Bring this into a boil. Cook this for 40 minutes or so, up to an hour. Depends on how do you like your corn. Some people like to very soft. Some people like it's a little bit on the crunchy side. All right, here. So my corn boiled about for 45 minutes, and it's all done. Looks pretty good to me. You can do you, but it is done for me. So now I'm gonna season with salt. I'm using a veganese for this corn. You can really substitute with mayonnaise. Also, you can use a crema, which is like sour cream, Mexican sour cream, or sour cream. But I do love to use veganese more than anything else for this corn. So spread it, smoosh it around like so, like all over the corn really well, just like that. Looking pretty good and yummy. So I'm gonna use a cayenne pepper for some of my corn. I like to try two ways corn today. So chili lime for one of the part of the corn, and then cayenne for the other one. I'm gonna try two way. Now, lime juice is just asking for this dish. So I'm gonna squeeze the lime juice all over the corn really well, just like that. And finally, Parmesan cheese. I love to use a lot of Parmesan cheese so that all corn be coated with the Parmesan cheese. And for the finishing touch, just sprinkle with fresh cilantro. I cannot wait to dive into this corn. Looks so delicious and yummy. Perfect summer recipe. I wish you give this recipe a try. Share my recipes on YouTube. Share my recipes on social media. I have Instagram. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.